What is up, everybody? It is your boy Marcus B. Peeping, the SMEGMARS ambassador. This is literally a name I gave myself 3 or 4 days ago. That's how much I believe in this project. If you guys can see on the screen right now, look at SMEGMARS. It done got a little facelift now. Looking real professional, real sleek. This coin is looking real nice, guys. First off, if you guys don't follow SMEGMARS on Twitter, this is their official page at SMEGMARS. Make sure you go ahead and follow them. Secondly, big news coming from SMEGMARS. They have officially passed their audit with Hacking. If you guys want to go look at it, it is at hacking.io/audits. You can just search SMEGMARS right here and it will pull it up for you. If you guys can see, that's 3 green flags right there. 3 green flags right there. That means they basically passed with flying colors. And you know, I'm already on it. I'm gonna download it and show you guys what basically they said in the audit here. This is the severity definitions for the security vulnerabilities. So critical, obviously we don't want any critical flags on our coin here. Basically Hacking just goes in and they just basically audit their code, make sure that this is basically what they say it is. Is it rug proof? Is that tax really getting taxed? Is there any flaws within the coding that we don't know about that could potentially affect our investment? And as you guys can see, there's only 2 low vulnerable flags. Oh no, is it 2? Oh no, it looks like, let me see here. It doesn't look like too much here. I think it looks like 3 or 4 low vulnerability flags here, which is basically better than Safemoon. If you guys look at the Safemoon audit, I think Safemoon had 1 medium and maybe 1 high security issue with their code. But most of SMEGMARS flags here have to do with maybe like, I think this has something to do with old routing to pancake swap. I think this has something to do with the V1 to V2 switch that they may not have gotten rid of in the code here. So that's coming up in the flags in this audit. But other than that, guys, this is a pretty safe coin to invest in, guys. If you guys want to go through the audit, like I said, it's on the Hacking website. Also, in other news, we are starting to build our community, guys. We are starting to get into serious marketing with this coin, guys. I'm trying to tell you, I'm rubbing my face commentating this shit because y'all don't understand the power that is starting to come behind this coin. First off, Crypto Messiah, shout out to Crypto Messiah, hopped on SMEGMARS last night. He was actually in the Telegram, and this guy made over $20 million in SHIB, and he is now an investor into SMEGMARS. So what do you think that means? More volume, more capital. Okay. Secondly,
is about to 100x.
We now have TikToks with influencers talking about SMEGMARS, guys. Listen to this.
SMEGMARS, and they're safer than Safemoon. They held steady when the market dipped. And
safer than Safemoon.
They've already got over 6,000 holders and have donated.
Mind you, it's about 6,500 holders now. Now that you're looking at this video, it's about 6,500 holders now. And this was posted 3 hours ago.
Over $10,000 to testicular cancer research. Join the Telegram for more info. This crypto is about to...
do not wait on this coin. This is getting ready to go insane. If we look at the chart right now, overnight, we went from about 3 zeros, 500 to over 001 now. We're now sitting at 001090, guys. We have if you got in right here last night, you pretty much 5 times your money. No, you didn't 5 times your money. No. That's about a little over doubling your money. So about 2.5. You pretty much doubled your money if you put in last night, guys. Stop with the bullshit. If you guys really want to get in, this is your opportunity to get in, guys, because once the marketing train, these guys have put $0 into marketing. Once the marketing train starts to really go, Guys, you will not be seeing any prices like this. You will see 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 10 cent SMEGMARS. And you're going to be looking at these videos like, wow, I really should have got in when this guy said. And now we're at a, what was that, 5 million market cap? We was about, what, 2 million when I posted my last video? Guys, like I said, the link's in the description down below if you guys want to get into SMEGMARS. Don't waste your time. Don't waste no more time. Get in if you really still want to get in. Don't be in the comment section talking about, is it too late to get in? No, this is look, get in right now because you're thinking about it. If you obviously thinking about it, go ahead and get in, bro. You're going to double your money. Like, simple as that, bro. But until next time, guys, leave a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell when you guys want to see more videos. Follow me on all my socials. Until next time, guys, Marcus be peeping.